Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app on Adalo. First, you will navigate to the Adalo website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you can choose to start with a pre-built template or a blank project. Adalo offers various templates for different app types, like directories or social apps, helping you kickstart your development process quickly and efficiently. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire application. Next, focus on designing your app's user interface. Adalo provides a drag-and-drop editor where you can easily add elements such as text, images, and input fields. You have complete control over the visual appearance, allowing you to customize colors, fonts, and spacing. Build out all your necessary screens, like a login page, a home screen, and detail views, ensuring a smooth and intuitive user experience for everyone. Now, let's integrate your app's data and logic. Adalo allows you to create collections, which are essentially your app's database tables, to store information like users, products, or posts. You can then define relationships between these collections. Crucially, you'll add actions to components, such as navigating to a new screen, updating data, or sending emails, making your app dynamic and responsive to user interactions. Finally, it's time to publish your creation. Adalo offers options to preview your app directly in your browser or on your mobile device, allowing you to test its functionality thoroughly. When ready, you can publish it to the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or as a progressive web app. Remember, app development is an iterative process. Gather user feedback and continuously refine your app to enhance its performance and user satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.